What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't filmed in like the longest time, so it feels like I haven't picked up the camera. I unfortunately missed last week's video. If you guys are like an avid watcher of the channel, I told you guys that I was going to be doing installing some parts for the Mark III. I have the radiator and I have like some OEM replacement parts that I bought from Toyota and something for the fan shroud. So Bricks is going to be pulling up to my house soon so we can get this installed really quick. Hopefully it should go smoothly because like it's been like the weather has been like super weird. Like if you guys can see, it's like all types of clouds, so I'm hoping to get it done before it starts raining again. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But before we start the video, I'm just going to be going to get gas really quick just because if it rains a little bit later, I don't want to be getting gas. I'd just rather stay home. It's been like raining off and on. My car is absolutely filthy. I'll show you guys once I get to the gas station. I'm going to be going to a Cars and Coffee in the morning. I'll probably show you guys that video next week. And let's see, I hope the video goes smoothly just because every time like we work on the Mark III, it's always like some type of problem. It's always like super annoying. And I don't know, we're gonna hope for something smooth today. Alright. I'm so lucky that I don't daily the Supra just because like I work out in LA. Driving from the valley, it's probably like 30 miles give or take. Yeah, if I were to daily this car, it would be like paying $70 a week on gas, and I would be adding like a lot of miles on the Supra. So I don't know, like about a month ago, 2 months ago, like the gas prices were like I think $5. It was like right now I think it was what, $5.69 or something like that. But anyways, I'm on my way back home. I'm on my way back home to go do the install with Bricks because I think he said he's pulling up soon. But yeah, I was telling like Bricks and Jordan in the group chat that rebuilding this car, I didn't even gonna think it was gonna be so expensive, just because I mean I'm new to it, and then I'm like, damn, I don't want to. It's just like spending a lot of money and time, those two things that I don't necessarily have much of. So, but then again, I see like videos of these like people on TikTok and stuff like restoring like these old cars in worse condition. I'm like, actually, like I feel like me and Bricks can do that slowly but surely. I've had the car for about a year now. I haven't done like much to it just because Bricks is in school. He's about to apply to like nursing school and stuff like that. But in due time, I just want to say thank you guys for the patience with the Mark III. There's gonna be like other videos of like my Mark V, Jordan's cars, and Bricks' cars and things like that. But if you guys know what I should do next in regards to restoring the Mark III, please let me know down below, because I still need to do a lot of research on the car. I just haven't had time to do it. But yeah, I hope, fingers crossed, that this thing goes smoothly. Fingers freaking crossed. Alright, I'll update you guys when I get back to my house. So we're just going to be doing an audio over of these clips just because like we wanted to do it really quick because Bricks had to go. But what Bricks is doing right now, he's just removing the two brackets that's holding down the OEM radiator, and once you do that, there's little like hose clamps that connects to the radiator that has to do with the coolant. And just make sure that when you're removing the radiator, there's not a lot of coolant, so we had a tub underneath that's like just holding everything, just because
depends on the car too. What are you recording for? Do you have like a the fan? Work with me here, fan.
There might be a cable.
But we're gonna be replacing those hose those hose clamps. I already bought them. I just had to like find it and stuff. And I want to replace that old fan that I have right there. And out with the old, in with the new. Look how pretty she is. Nice and shiny. The only shiny thing that goes into this engine bay. This engine bay is so disgusting, to be honest. And then we just put on the old brackets. And I want to replace them just because I feel like they sit a little high. And I know there's better ones that are out there. And then just reconnect all the old hose clamps. I'm gonna be doing like a better walkthrough of it once we put on those old hose clamps. But this one actually surprisingly went pretty smoothly, because every time we try to work on the car, there's always like a problem. But thankfully it went smoothly.
For a second there, I thought that was broken.
What, this?
And that pretty much just wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover. I didn't really like try to like record. It was way too windy outside, and even though like I had like the fuzzy mic, it still caught like a lot of wind noises, and I didn't want to like damage you guys' ears, or it was just easier for me to do a voiceover. But I just want to say a huge thank you to Bricks for coming to help me install it, and the homie Andre for helping us install it. But of course with this project, there's a lot of like mishaps. I need to order, sorry, I'm gonna look at my phone, the plug for the coolant temp sensor. I thought I bought it, but apparently I didn't. So we're gonna be replacing the hoses as well, and then we're gonna be pouring in the coolant afterwards. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I need to like do more research. I always say this at the end of the videos, my other videos, that I need to do more research on the Mark III just to get it like up and running. But I have like other parts that I like, want to order for the car. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And me and Bricks are about to go get some food. Probably gonna go get pho, but I'll take you guys along with me.